So, I'm just getting back from taking the trash. Well, I'm just taking the trash out right now. And as you can see, there's tons of trash bags all covered in snow. And yeah, I mean, we didn't get like a ton. That's what I was expecting. But we did get some. People are out shoveling. It's still snowing today. So you get to a little walk around the neighborhood. I'm wearing a big snowsuit. People have their Gotta put my glove back on. I just had to take it off to press the start button on this video. It's kind of cold though. So, yeah, I mean, it's really pretty out. And I mean, here's the road right now. So, it's not really paved. I mean, you know, whatever. Shoveled out that much. And if I step in here, and it's not that deep. At parts it gets kind of deep, but it only feels like maybe a foot, a little less, which is kind of funny.